Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize listing on Etsy, on your shop on Etsy.com website. So first of all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type Etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And of course, if you are logged in into your account, you'll find yourself with this page and with this welcome back sentence. That will be just your name or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option. Click on it and you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create your account. Of course, you will even be able to do both options with your Google account, Facebook account, or even your Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you did one of the options, you will find yourself, as we said, here in this home page with the welcome back sentence. And of course, as we said in the beginning of our video, we would like to organize our listing or our shop. So simply, I'm just going to click at the shop manager or at the shop icon at the top right corner. And once I click on that, I'm just going here to the left options and click at listing. Of course, from here, you will find, for me, I have just one item, but for you, you will have here maybe multiple items if you want to organize them. So, of course, you will be able to drag and even move items. And of course, you would like to make the new items are the first one. So people are getting attracted by by the new things that you make, so they come back to your shop frequently and you will be able to sell more. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.